everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Pave's having a great day. I got this very small box and I think it's from Pandora, but all the packaging has shrunk. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing and find out what I got. Still rocking my Dooney & Bourke's Small World satchel. I love a good satchel. That's what it looks like. Pretty nice. Anybody know where I can get a matching wallet? DM me and let me know. Very hard to find. I cannot find a matching wallet, so I may have to get something similar. They did have some pretty cool those compact wallets, so I may look at that and see if I can, you know, find something that's gonna fit my needs. All right, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of this very small box. Alright, it's got a pull tab on the back here. Yeah, it's from Pandora. The new packaging I'm not really a fan of. There's just the invoice. And what else do you get? You get this little box here. Used to get like a pouch and used to get like tissue paper and all that stuff, but they've really downsized. Anybody else get Pandora and this is all you get? Yeah, it's a little disappointing. Yeah, that's all there is. That's the box. Alright, no pouch, no tissue paper, but the price has gone up. Alright, let's see what I got here. And they put everything in one box. Before, you got a really nice, better box than this. This is just, you know, like a flip-up box. But used to get like a bracelet box that you could actually stack, you know. This you can stack too, but it's not as nice. And they put everything that you order in one box. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. I don't know. I emailed Pandora, but they never returned my email. I asked them why they changed the packaging. And where is the tissue paper and where is the pouches? No response. So anybody else email Pandora? Did you get a response? Did they acknowledge that you are a customer? I don't know. It's pretty disappointing. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into what I actually bought. It's kind of hard because these are in these little pouches and they're very hard to see. So I did get a bracelet. This is, I thought this was going to be a mesh bracelet, but it's actually hard silver with the heart. Alright, so we'll see how that works out. And I did get a Disney Dumbo Dangle, and I did get a ear hat, Disney, and I did get a really cool leaf. It's kind of like iridescent, and it's a slider. So that's pretty, and see how it's kind of iridescent there? Alright, and then I got a Minnie Mouse ear hat. I'm going to put together Disney bracelet. And I may put together, I have some Haunted Mansion Pandora. So for Halloween, I may put together like a Halloween bracelet, and I'll post everything on Instagram under susansrstyle. So I post every day, so make sure that you follow me on Instagram and make sure you subscribe, because once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a Disney Minnie Loungefly backpack, brand new. So like, subscribe, share, comment. I think you can see that okay. Yeah, these are really hard to see. Yeah, and I'll take pictures of these too. And this is the Dangle Dumbo, which is pretty cool actually. See if you can kind of see.
How's your bracelet look?
It looks really good. Yeah. Say hi to the followers.
Hi there.
Ted's here. Alright, he's checking out my Pandora. He likes it. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today. Until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and stay safe. Bye now.